So, welcome to Leo Green Studios, and today I'm showing you some different stained glass videos that I've made. So, I got a grant with the Mississippi Arts Commission, and with the grant money, I bought a lot of stained glass. So, I'm showing you a lot of different techniques. So, I call this particular art piece Kung Fu Green. I'm naming it after my dad. I got the idea from an old photo, and I'm going to make a stained glass oven. So what you see here is a template. With the template, I number each shape, I color code it, and after I do that, I cut it out. Once I cut it out, I will trace it. I will trace the individual pieces onto the glass. So I have my mom, she's helping me cut out the template of Kung Fu Green. Here I am using my different scoring tools to cut out each of the shapes. So it takes a while to do it. And it takes a lot of sheets of glass to make something this big. When I finish with this, it'll probably be around like 5'6", 5'4". That's how tall it'll actually be. There's different things that you have to do. So after you cut the glass, I put the glass on a grinder. After I put the glass on the grinder, I wipe off all of the glass dust, and then I put a copper tape over it, and then I re-piece it together. It's like a puzzle piece. The numbers help me make sure I put it in the right area and I don't lose track of it. So I use a cork board to arrange my pieces on it, and then I start soldering it together. So here I'm soldering Kung Fu Green together, and it can take me, if I'm working on it by myself, probably up to a week to do some of these parts. And I probably even spent longer than a week on making these things. My mom, she helped me out a whole lot with grinding and putting the copper foil tape on it. That's a halo right there, and that's the finished part of Kung Fu Green. As you can see, I use ceramic pieces in it as well. So in this section, I am doing like the media pictures of LeBron James, Steph Curry, and Kobe Bryant. Again, same process. I cut out my template, match the colors, and cut the glass. And cut the glass, and grind the glass. And cut the glass and grind the glass. So right here I'm tracing. You can actually see me tracing and numbering and grinding the glass. Again, my mom, she helped me with a whole lot of these works. And as you can see, they have LeBron James's face in ceramic, and I'm going to insert that into the stained glass after I finish putting it together. So you can see the pins. The pins help you kind of stabilize it and keep it from moving. And then you solder. So I'm getting better with my soldering. The best thing about soldering is as you get used to it, you'll get better. So that's the somewhat finished product of LeBron James. And now here we have Steph Curry. Hey, so I was noticing, like, hey, these things look good with a background. So in the LeBron James one, I had just a crown. In the Steph Curry, I put the actual Golden Gate Bridge on it. I think that helped a whole lot. Have a lot of nice colors, these bright blues and oranges and yellows. And again, I am cutting the glass, scoring the glass, breaking the glass. You can see in my hand I had I took a picture so I can know where all of these pieces go together. because after you cut it up, you can lose pieces. So you don't want to lose a piece. You have to make a piece, and that's my Steph Curry version. Now, this is a 3 figures that I made. They're hooded figures. I got approached by the O'Keefe Museum to do a auction, so I was going to do these in a live auction. So if you look on Leo Green Studios, you can see that live feed for me doing this live at the Boulevard. I pieced it together before I brought it over to the Boulevard because I knew I wasn't going to have enough time to cut and paste and do all of those things like that. So kind of wrapping up, just kind of showing you again all of the different techniques and things that I do to create my artwork. Hopefully you enjoy watching this. I enjoy making the glass stuff. It's very different from what I normally do, but I'm trying to incorporate all the different things I do. So I draw, I paint, I make sculptures, I work with clay, I even do 3D work.